Hello YouTube, how to prolong your life, New Year's resolutions that lead to longevity. From the new year, starting life from scratch, generously making promises to yourself to start taking care of yourself and your health and completely forget about everything in February, is almost a tradition. The top 5 New Year's resolutions go something like this: start saving and saving money, exercise more, lose weight, drink more water, and sleep more. We also often promise ourselves to stop smoking, drinking, overeating sweets, eating after 8 in the evening and starting to run in the morning from the new one. And safely forget all these promises in February. Promises that you should make to yourself for the new year, try to fulfill in order to improve your well-being, improve your health and prolong your life. I will start eating fruits and vegetables. It's no secret that we should eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. But a study from Imperial College London found that those who ate little or no fruits and vegetables died sooner than those who ate large amounts. Researchers in Italy found that eating raw vegetables and salads increased life expectancy by 2 years, as cooking vegetables destroys some of their antioxidant properties. A study conducted by Rush University in Chicago showed that 1 serving of salad or vegetables a day helps the brain stay 10 years younger. I will be friends with the right people. Experts at Harvard University have found a link between choosing the right friends and life expectancy. Research shows that everything our friends do affects us, which is true for both bad habits like smoking and good habits like exercise. So choose your friends wisely in 2023. I will sleep longer. A 30-minute nap reduces the chance of a heart attack later in life by 37%, according to a study from the Harvard School of Public Health in Athens. A small amount of extra sleep has also been said to lower blood pressure by the same amount as a low dose of medication for the condition. A new study from Stanford University in the U.S. found that interrupted sleep is the biggest killer. The team analyzed 12,000 studies related to sleep and found that quality sleep increases life expectancy, and sleeping less than 5 hours a night increases the likelihood of premature death. So take a nap. I will leave some food on my plate. People from the Japanese island of Okinawa have one of the longest life expectancies on Earth, with many of them living to be 100 years old. Studies attribute their longevity to the fact that they eat a lot of yellow and green vegetables and eat only 80% of the food on their plate. So while it would be polite to end your meal, you might be in this world a little longer if you didn't finish your meal. I will find my mate. Several studies from around the world have shown that those who are happily married live longer than their single friends. Science suggests that cohabitation, social care and economic support of the second half, increases life expectancy. I will let go of my anger and ask for forgiveness. Letting go of anger and gaining forgiveness increases lifespan by positively impacting the cardiovascular and immune systems, according to a study published by Luther College, Iowa in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine. I will take up a hobby. A research team at the Japan Public Health Center found that hobbyists are less likely to die from heart disease and stroke. And researchers from the University of California found that participants who devoted 2 or more hours a day to their chosen pastime were 21% less likely to die prematurely. I will move more. A study from Brigham Young University in London found that people who exercised about 3 hours a week had 9 years younger DNA and cells than a control group who did not exercise. Even a 15-minute walk a day can add years to your life. A study by Taiwan's National Health Research Institute found that participants who did 15 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise each day lived an average of 3 years longer than a control group of stay-at-homes. All of this can help you maintain a healthy weight, which is vital because researchers at the University of Alabama in the U.S. found that a body mass index of 25 to 35, overweight range, shortens life expectancy by about 3 years. I will communicate more. Research at the Albert Einstein School of Medicine in New York and the University of Edinburgh tracked the lifespan of 298 gorillas genetically similar to humans and found that the louder, more outgoing members of the group lived 3 to 4 years longer than their other quieter primate cousins. I will stop worrying. Researchers at Purdue University in Indiana have found that constant worry can shorten life expectancy by 16 years. Cambridge University Press came to the same conclusion. His research found that people with depression and anxiety have a higher risk of premature death than people without mental illness. I will go out into the sun. Scientists at King's College London have found that high levels of vitamin D, which is partly due to sun exposure, can increase life expectancy by up to 5 years, and the National Health Service recommends taking a daily vitamin D supplement during the winter months. Vitamin D can also be found in shiitake mushrooms and oily fish. I will eat nuts. Whether it's walnuts, almonds, or even the humble peanuts, if you want to live a few more years, start snacking on nuts. A Loma Linda University study in California of 34,000 people found that those who ate nuts 5 days a week lived 2.9 years longer than those who didn't. I will start reading books. Bookworms will be happy to hear that reading before bed or on the way to work increases life expectancy. A Yale University study found that reading for 3.5 hours a week increased life expectancy by nearly 2 years. I will be an optimist. It can be hard to see the positives at times, but a study from Yale University in the U.S. found that being optimistic will increase your lifespan. His study, which compared the life expectancy of optimists and pessimists, found that those who look at things positively live 7 years longer than those who don't. I will have sex. If you want to prolong your life, devote more time to carnal pleasures. Research from the University of Singapore has shown that regular orgasms, alone or with a partner, increase life expectancy and reduce the risk of death. I will start eating fish. But researchers from Harvard University in the U.S. found that people with higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, mackerel and sardines lived about 2 years longer than people with low levels of omega acids. I'll pour myself some wine. Researchers at Wageningen University in the Netherlands found that drinking half a glass of red wine daily can increase life expectancy by up to 4 years. There are compounds found only in red wine that reduce the accumulation of bad fatty tissues in the arteries. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.